This is Hari. Welcome to my channel AWS with Hari.
Hey, future engineers, welcome back to the channel, the place where how do I get placements turns into bro, I got the offer letter. If you are a 2026 pass out, confused, scared, or even dealing with backlogs, relax. You are in the right place. In every engineering college, there are three legendary types of students. Type 1, bro, this year I'm serious. They've been saying this since first year. Type 2, uh, I'll start coding from Monday. Which Monday? Next week? Next year? Unknown. Type 3. I only have 2 backlogs. Next semester, I have 5 now. Backlogs increasing like a Netflix series. But the good news? All 3 types can still get placed by 2026 if they follow the right path. Let's clear one thing. Backlogs are not the end of your career. A low CGPA is not a punishment for life. Companies don't ask you, why did you fail physics in second semester? They only want to know, what skills do you have? What projects have you built? Can you solve problems? Your semester results don't decide your future. Your preparation does. You've probably gone through this. Should I learn AWS or Python or AI or full stack? Your brain at 2 a.m. I'll learn everything. Your body, good night. Stop. You don't need to learn everything. You need to pick one direction and go deep. Choose one track: software development, Python or Java, DSA, 2, 3 real projects, cloud and DevOps, AWS, Linux, Git, Docker, CI, CD, data, Python, SQL, Power BI, machine learning basics, one path, one direction, deep learning. That's the key. Please stop making the same boring projects like library management system. Everyone has seen it 1,000 times. Make projects that show creativity and skill. Cloud projects. Deploy your website on AWS. Build a CI/CD pipeline. Serverless notes app. Software projects. Task manager app. E-commerce backend. Notes app with user login. Data projects. Sales dashboard. Movie recommendation system, analysis plus visualization projects. Projects speak louder than CGPA. Your resume is not a biography, it's a marketing tool. Avoid long paragraphs, school marks, 10 random certification logos. Use skill section, project section with GitHub links, achievements, education. Keep it clean, sharp, and simple. Like I show with green tick on screen, LinkedIn is not just a networking platform, it's a career booster. For 60-90 days, post your learning, share your projects, comment on relevant posts, stay consistent, and please don't DM hiring managers saying, "Sir, give me job." Instead, say, "I built this project, would love your feedback." People respond when you show effort. Backlogs feel scary, but they're not deal breakers. If you have backlogs, clear them one by one, build your skills simultaneously, create projects, prepare for interviews. By the time placements come, your skills will matter more than those backlog numbers. You might feel behind, you might feel others are ahead, but guess what? The only person who loses is the one who stops trying. Start today, start small, start imperfect, but start. Your future self confident, skilled, earning well is waiting for you. The right path is to get placed on campus. 1. Learn one skill perfect and do projects. Don't go for everything, choose only one. 2. Build ATS friendly resume. 3. Post your learning on LinkedIn. 4. Try to attend placements. 5. Definitely you will get job. If this video helped, hit like, comment started below, and subscribe for more skill guides, career tips, and placement roadmaps. 2026 students, Let's make this your year. Okay, bye bye.